What is up, guys? Welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to build a full SEO strategy for any client in seconds using Claude. So let's get started. To build an SEO strategy for a client in seconds using Claude, we're going to start by creating a skill that will be responsible for generating the SEO strategy for a specific client. So to create a skill, I'm going to click on Customize right here, and click on Scales, and here I'm going to click on the plus icon right here, and then I'm going to create the skill using Claude. Here, hit enter to describe the skill that we would like Claude to create for us. So here you can tell Claude, create a skill called SEO Strategy Builder that takes a website URL, industry, and target audience, then generates a complete SEO strategy. The output should include keyword clusters, grouped by intent, content gaps, quick win SEO actions, and a simple 90-day roadmap split into 3 months. The results should be structured, actionable, and ready to present to a client. No explanations, only deliverables. Here, I'll hit enter and give it a second for it to create a skill for us. So here you can see it successfully created our skill for us. So the skill is built, tested, and packaged. So you can see here. So it even took it a step further and analyzed and generated an SEO strategy for an example website right here. This is incredible. So we asked you to create the skill for us right here. Went ahead and created the skill and generated an SEO strategy for an example for this website called buffer.com. So here you can see the keyword cluster by intent, content gap analysis, quick wins SEO actions right here, 90-day SEO roadmap for month 1, month 2, and month 3, and the KPIs to track right here. And then it went ahead and packaged our skill. So here we're going to save our skill. Right here you can also review the skill to see if it works exactly how you'd like it to work. If it doesn't work how you like it to work, you can make changes to the skill by clicking on manage right here. You'll be taken to the scales right here, where you can be able to make changes to the scale. Go over line by line to ensure that the scale works exactly how you'd like. But if it doesn't work exactly how you'd like, you can edit the scale by clicking on the 3 dots right here. Click on edit. You can choose to edit the scale manually and then save it, or you can choose to use Claude to edit the scale for you. So here you can tell Claude to either include some information that you like added to the scale, or remove some information that you like removed from the scale. But since our skill works perfectly, and we've already tested it, we can use our skill and generate SEO strategy for an example client. So we're going to tell Claude, use the SEO strategy builder skill to generate an SEO strategy for this website that highlights 3 keyword clusters: high intent service terms like SEO agency and PPC management, informational searches around how to improve rankings and SEO strategy, and comparison based on queries like best digital marketing agencies. Key content gaps include strong industry-specific landing pages, comparison pages against competitors, and deep mid-funnel educational content. Quick wins include optimizing existing service pages for target keywords, improving titles and meta description, and strengthening internal linking. The 90 days plan starts with one page and technical improvements in month 1, content expansion in month 2, and authority build through advanced content and links in month 3. So here I'll hit enter and give Claude a few seconds for you to generate our SEO strategy for this example website. So here you can see it successfully generated our SEO strategy for our website right here. This is incredible. What's inside? Keyword cluster by intent, content gaps analysis, quick wins SEO action, and 90-day roadmaps, and KPIs to track. Here you can see a preview of what's inside our report right here. So we built this comprehensive SEO strategy specifically for this website right here. You can preview the report in Google Docs. And here you can see the comprehensive SEO strategy for the website. So here you can see the cluster, keyword cluster by intent here. You can see the content gap analysis, quick wins SEO actions, 90-day SEO roadmap, month 1, month 2, month 3, and KPIs to track. This is really incredible and impressive. Here So we successfully generated this SEO strategy report for this website using our skills right here that we created in Claude. So we can try generating another SEO strategy for a different company using our skill. So I'll search for a skill right here. I'm going to tell Claude, use this skill to generate an SEO strategy for this company called disruptive advertising. Focus on 3 keywords: cluster, high intent, service terms like PPC agency, conversion rate optimization service, and Google Ads management. Information queries such as how to improve ad conversion rate and PPC strategy for SaaS, and comparison keywords like best PPC agencies USA and CRO agency services. Content gaps should include more industry-specific landing pages for SaaS and e-commerce, deeper CRO educational content, and comparison pages against competing agencies. Quick wins include optimizing core service pages for PPC and CRO keywords, improving meta titles and internal linking, and updating existing blog content for high intent targeting. The 90-day roadmap starts with on-page SEO and conversion-focused page improvements in month 1, expand into content cluster around PPC and CRO in month 2, and scale authority through advanced guides, case studies, and link building in month 3. So to generate the SEO strategy for this company, I'm going to hit enter right here. Give it a second for you to generate a report for us. You can see Claude succeeded in generating our SEO strategy for our company right here called disruptive advertising. You can see what is inside: the keyword cluster by intent, content gap analysis, quick win SEO actions, 90-day roadmap, and KPIs to track. So now to preview our SEO strategy for this company, I'm going to open the link in Google Drive. You can see the SEO strategy for the company right here. You can see the keyword cluster by intent, navigational right here, commercial investigation right here, which is mid funnel, transactional right here, which is at the bottom of the funnel. And here you can see the content gap analysis right here, quick win SEO actions right here that they can perform, and the 90-day SEO roadmap. Month 1 is the foundation, month 2 is the content and authority, month 3 is compound, and here you can see the KPIs to track right here. This is incredible. So we successfully generated this SEO strategy for this company using the skill that we created right here in Claude. This is awesome. You can try generating another SEO strategy for a different company using our skill. So you can use our skill right here and tell Claude, use this skill to generate an SEO strategy for this company. Strategy should focus on 3 keyword cluster: high intent service terms like SEO agency USA, and pay media agency, and email marketing services. Information such as how to improve digital marketing ROI and SEO versus paid media, and enterprise focused terms like enterprise digital marketing agency and full service marketing agency. The key content gaps include more vertical specific landing pages for industry like SaaS, healthcare, and e-commerce, deeper comparison content against top agencies, and strong thought leadership around integrated multi-channel marketing. Quick wins include optimizing core services pages for SEO and paid media keywords, improving internal linking across service pillars, and refreshing underperforming blog content with high intent targeting. The 90-day roadmap starts with technical and on-page improvements on month 1, expands into clustered content production in month 2, and scale authority through case studies, industry pages, and link building in month 3. So now for Claude to generate our SEO strategy for company right here, hit enter right here. Give it a second for you to generate our SEO strategy for the company. So here you can see successfully generated our SEO strategy for our company right here, which was Ignite Visibility. This is incredible. Here's what is inside: keyword cluster by intent, content gap analysis, quick win SEO actions, 90-day roadmap, and KPIs to track. To preview the strategy report for the company, you can preview it right here on the right. Or we can open the report in Google Docs to preview it. In Google Docs, you can see the report, the SEO strategy report for the company right here. This is incredible. You can see the keyword cluster by intent right here. Here at the top of the funnel ones. Here are the navigation ones. Here are the mid funnel ones right here. And the ones that are at the bottom of the funnel. You can also see the content gap analysis here. Quick win SEO actions, and the 90-day SEO roadmap. Month 1 will be foundation, month 2 will be content and authority, month 3 will be scale and compound. And here you can see the KPIs to track. This is really incredible. You can try generating one last SEO strategy for a different company. Using our scale. So here I'm going to find our scale right here and tell it, use a scale to generate an SEO strategy for this company called Single Grain. Focus on 3 keyword cluster. First one is the high intent terms like SEO agency for startup, SaaS growth marketing services, and content marketing agency. And information queries such as how to scale SaaS growth and SEO strategy for startups, and comparison keywords like best growth marketing agency and content marketing versus SEO for SaaS. Key content gaps include more startup specific landing pages, deeper SaaS growth case studies, and high intent comparison content against competing agencies. Quick wins include optimizing core service pages for startup and SaaS keywords. The 90-day roadmap begins with on-page and technical optimization in month 1, expands into targeted SaaS and startup-focused content cluster in month 2, and scale authority through case study, thought leadership, and link building in month 3. Here I'm going to hit enter to generate the SEO strategy for the company. Let's give it a second for Claude to do that. You can see it successfully generated our SEO strategy for our company called Single Grain right here. Same items are inside the report. This is incredible. To preview the report, I'm going to click here to open our report in Google Drive, in Google Docs. When we open our link, here you can see the report, the SEO strategy report for the company right here. Here's the keyword cluster by intent. Here are the ones that are top on the funnel. Here are the navigation ones right here. Here are the ones that are mid funnel and the bottom of the funnel. Here's the content gap analysis section, the quick win SEO action section, and the 90-day SEO roadmap section. Month 1 is foundation, month 2 is content and authority, month 3 is scale and compound. The last section is KPIs to track. This is really incredible. This is how you can generate SEO strategy reports for any company automatically using the scale that we created right here in Claude. Thank you for watching. Now, if you'd like help automating manual tasks that you're currently doing in your business or your agency, just use the link in the description to schedule a call with me. On the call, we'll discuss into details on how I can help automate those manual tasks for you. But if you enjoyed this video, make sure you subscribe to this channel and be on the lookout for the next video that will be dropping soon. But for now, thank you for watching and I'll see you in the next video. Goodbye.